Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create a store or website on your on Squarespace and customize it for beauty and cosmetics businesses and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can see templates from here. So here you can build your own templates or choose one of these templates. So you can choose the topic from here, and you can choose the type here: online store or memberships, blog, scheduling, courses and services. So that's it. So for example, let's go with the health and beauty. You can choose one of these templates here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started. Here you can add your type your site name, type any name you want. Here you can build your home page. Here you can choose your intro section. You can change your product section here, and also here you can change your services section. You can choose here your about section, your social section. Here you can choose your form section, and the last here is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can choose your color theme, the color of your home page, and the last thing here is the font. So for example, let's choose this, and let's finish this. So here you can personalize your homepage text faster than ever. You can skip this, or if you wanna continue, so let's continue. Let's see what's happened. So here you can describe your site. You can describe more. So for example, fashion or beauty and cosmetics, business. Here you can choose your writing style. Let's go with professional. So now wait a few seconds for building the store or your website. So here you can choose your specific. You can specific here website or commerce or marketing or scheduling or assets library or analytics or whatever you want. So if you want to if you want to design your home page, click here, and now you can edit it. So just click add section. So you can add any section you want. So for example, let's see testimonials, and let's go with this. So let's move this down. You can move it down or move it up. So let's start with the first section here, the header. So here you can edit the header section, you can edit the site title and the logo, you can add your logo here. So for example, you can from your library something about beauty and cosmetics, some logos from your library. So that's it. Uh, you can edit here the elements, you can turn this on. Also you can here add the link, you can add the social links, you can turn this on. Also you can add edit the social links. Here you can edit the border, you can turn this on, the language switch. You can turn the card, you can turn it on. You can also change the style of the icon. So that's it. Here you can turn this on, show 0 in cart. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So here the next section, you can change this. For example, just click on it and click here, and now you can change the type, the form of the text, or you can delete it. So that's it. You can edit the button label, you can change the color of it. You can also edit the text. Click here, edit, and now you can change the text here. You can change the design, and also here you can add the link. So that's it. If you want to add something, just click here and you can choose whatever you want. You can add a button, you can add an image, you can add the video, you can add the audio, scrolling, codes, embed code, markdown, summary, social links, the business. You can add the products, digital products, scheduling, or whatever you want to add. So for example, let's see image, let's add image. So you can go on free image here, search on beauty and cosmetics, beauty and cosmetics. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. So for example, you can drag it and put it at any place. You can move it at any place you want. So you can duplicate the image if you want. You can edit it here. If you want to add the link, or you can add the text. So that's it. You can add any image on any place you want, at any place. So let's move on to the next. So whenever you want to add something, just click here on add block. Any section you can add a block on it, and you can change the text on it, or for example, here you can change the testimonial. Here you can change this about your business, about beauty and cosmetics. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, all you have to do now is save this, and you can publish it now and launch it. So that's it, how to customize your website on Squarespace website for beauty and cosmetics business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.